Yo, what's going on, you guys? Today, I'm sure you guys think this is clickbait, and there's no possible way that I paid only $1 for 400,000 impressions. But it's actually 100% true, and I'm going to be showing you guys proof, as well as how I was able to do it and how you can do it too. So I've previously made a video on how I was able to get 600,000 impressions for $10. This is just one post example, so as you guys can see by the screenshot, I got 400,000 impressions, and you can see the page only has 848 followers. So that's just 848 followers. He got 400,000 impressions. Now the benefit of that is, since he only had 800 followers, I was able to negotiate a really good price. So I paid $10 for 10 posts. So this wasn't even the page I told him to advertise on. He has his own page which had like 1,900 followers, but I paid him $10, and then he decided to advertise on this page for whatever the reason. But it was going slower, he wasn't getting impressions. But then I looked at the amount store visits I got, which was like 600, 700, and I was just really curious on how that happened, because I didn't think it was the 1,000 follower page, because obviously no one would expect that, and I was getting a lot of sales. So I was just curious what happened, and I looked at the 1,000 follower page, and he didn't really have a lot of comments, so I was just confused. And then I DM'd him, and he showed me the other page he was using. As you guys can see, he has 1,000 comments, and in those meme sites, now I know you probably see a meme there, but in those meme sites is my post. And this is a pro tip that I learned by myself. I haven't seen anyone talking about this, but put your post in a meme site, because what happened with that is, let's say I post the ad alone on that page, I would just get 100 impressions or 200 impressions, because obviously his following is only 848. Plus, you won't get on the explore page because barely anyone comments on an ad, and also he won't like use tags or whatever or hashtags to get to the explore page. It's literally useless to just post it all alone. And even on a huge page like 100,000 page, 200,000 page, you're still not gonna get 400,000 impressions. The most you're gonna get is like 20,000, 30,000 impressions. But again, it's not gonna get on the explore page because it's just an ad, so not a lot of people comment on it. So this is a major key right here, and I figured this out on my own, and I saw no one talking about this, but I want to share it with you guys. But basically, put your ad on the third and the fourth on a meme post where there are like 9 slides in total. What these influencers do is like tell people to comment and tell them to like or like follow them in 10 seconds or something happens, whatever. You guys probably know what I'm talking about. You've probably seen those memes where it says comment nice letter by letter, whatever. So that's how he was able to get like so many comments and likes. And with that, obviously he got onto the explore page and got so many impressions. And he got like 1,000 comments, and with that, like, I got 400,000 impressions, and of course my ad was in there, and I was able to make a lot of money with just paying $1. So obviously $1 is literally nothing, and I'm actually gonna schedule more ads with him. I honestly didn't think it would work, but after today I'm convinced that this technique actually works. And in case you're wondering how do you find these 848 followers, it's really simple. Just go to your explore page, and whatever meme you see, just go to their meme page and see how many followers they have. A lot of them have like 30,000, 14,000 followers, whatever, and look at the comments and whatnot, and you should know if they're getting a lot of engagements. That means they're getting a lot of impressions. And also, since they were on your explore page, that automatically shows that this page is getting a lot of impressions. So again, it's really simple to find them and super profitable, as you guys saw, like $1. And let's say you pay $10 for 10 posts and you barely get any impressions, you just lose $10. But of course, it's still worth it taking the risk, because most likely it's gonna pay off, because these meme pages know what to do. And again, if only like 2 of them take off and you get like 800,000 impressions, it's worth the money. And it's just $1 for 1 post. So buy in bulk to get the lower price. And yeah guys, it's really that simple. Before I was going for niche specific Instagram pages because that's what I was told, but in my personal opinion, I'm probably gonna make another video about this. It doesn't really work out for me because it's really hard to find good niche related influencer pages, unless like a huge niche like a dog cat niche. But most of the time it's really hard to find good influencers who have good engagements. And again, even if you find them, your ad is gonna be up there alone, and you're only gonna get like 20,000 impressions or whatever. So I prefer this method more, but again, I might be wrong, and I'm probably gonna make another video on this, but I saw the most return on my money using this method. And yeah guys, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Now you guys can go out there and get super cheap influencers, and I still can't believe that I just paid $1 for 400,000 impressions. And yeah guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like, let's try to go for 10 likes, and subscribe if you're new and turn on notifications. Yeah guys, I'm out.